Hi guys, today we bring a new tool, mechanical nano solder station. Welcome to FunFix. If you're not subscribed, tap to subscribe now. We have a lot of practical tools. About the mechanical nano solder station, it has 3 options. Now let's unbox. Solder station. 2-10 handle. Power cord. Ground wire. Wire holder. 3 tips. Have a look. Straight hand. Bad head. Last one. Now let's start. Install the wire holder. Plug to handle. Power cord. Plug ground to the wire. Install the tube. Now turn on the switch. It's at sleep mode. Click twice. Another. Add decrease the temperature. Increase it. Besides, you can set your lead. Like sleep degree delay, sleep temperature, language, restore, or other information. Refractory list. It can heat up in 1 second. And you can finish in 2 seconds. Now you can clearly with a sponge and the metal bone. Now replace the tip. Choose a new one. Fasten with the hole. About the handle, it has 3 choices. The solder station can heat up in 1 second and you can heat in 2 seconds. With 115 power, you can use it to solder the circuit board. Repair your offense. Thank you so much.